you have to listen something, you have to hear something in English, and then this technique, that means this practice, is literally improving in the way of English speaking. Okay, that is the important. The ambition is literally important for English, okay, for anything if you want. So hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing really great and fantastic in your life. So if I ask about me, I'm also doing great and fantastic in my life. Okay, so today I want to share with you how to start English journey, that means how to improve English. Okay, so before start this video, I'm telling you guys, I don't record myself every day because my lips problem, this literally painful, that's why I don't record myself, and today's very special information I want to share with you, that means how to start English. I know somebody else, they are says, I want to improve my English literally, but I don't have sufficient result, that means sufficient way to speak English. Okay, that's why I want, okay, let's share the special experience or some thing. Okay, so don't waste ample of time, don't waste significant time, so let's get started. Okay, so before start this video, I want to share with you one thing. So you are new my channel, you are visiting my channel very first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's begin. How to start English speaking practice. Okay, that is important. I want to share with you one thing, that means one story. Sometimes somebody else there says, why English, watching English movie or English story, or English music or whatever, some why is important to hear something, or watch something related to English, why important? The answer is, you know some small children, and she is not sufficient, that means she's not understand English, that means she don't have lots of vocabulary or lots of grammar, but she's parent is speak English very naturally, and they are speak very fluently in English very naturally, but she's don't understand lot of vocabulary or lot of grammar rule. They understand, they know, he's not understand the lots of vocabulary or lots of grammar rule. She is only here every single day regularly the same sentence, same phrases or vocabulary, or some grammar rules or whatever. She say she's hear something every day, and she's try to speak something, so that's why she's absolutely fluent speaker in English, right? That means she's very small children, but they cannot be understand speak English, but they hear something every day hear something, watch something English, and also she's parents speak English very naturally, fluently, so that's why she's very perfect person while English. Okay, so that's why these are the thing, that means suddenly anything is not changed, suddenly anything is not changed, but changing only the practice, that means hear something and watch something, that is this process is literally important. Yesterday one person, she's speak me in English, and she's tell me why English hear something, and why English uh, watching something is important, why. That means this result is literally some natural, but these are the step, these are the technique to improve course. So this is the main technique to improve English. Okay, so you must hear something every single day, you must watch something every single day, and this sentence, this vocabulary and this grammar you hear every day, you must say, you must watch this related English whatever, if you like this. So if you watch something, anything you go. Okay, so these are the thing is important, okay, to speak English very naturally, and that is the technique, that is the technique. English is not miracle anything, you watch something one day, or 15 day, and that is enough, or no, that is not result in truly result in your hand, no. But result, you have to, you want to result, you want to result some best result you want to achieve. So that's why you have to listen something, you have to hear something in English, and then this technique, that means this practice, is literally improving in the way of English speaking. Okay, that is the important. The ambition is literally important for English, okay, for anything if you want. Okay, so do this, and the better thing, is you have to listen every single day, you have to read every single day, you have to do something in English every single day. Okay, that is the thing, that is the most important thing. Okay, so you must do this and start your English journey. Okay, all the best, and don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you are visit the channel very first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.